What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Denis, and today we are going to be talking about Bitcoin surging past the $1 trillion cap just over the weekend. Meanwhile, if you're from Malaysia and you're looking to invest into Bitcoin with Luno, just use the code down in the description box below. Free money, you know the drill. So back into this video, let's talk about Bitcoin surging past the 1 trillion market cap and buy sell decisions. And this video is not a financial advice, so don't take anything that I say seriously. And let's just jump right into one of the articles that I feel like it's interesting, and I'll provide my opinions on it so you guys could see more of what I'm thinking. So according to the article in NBC News, Bitcoin yet hit another record high on Friday, reaching a market capitalization of $1 trillion. Bitcoin's gains have been fueled by signs it is winning acceptance among mainstream investors and companies from Tesla and MasterCard and BNY Mellon. I don't know who the heck is BNY Mellon, and if you guys know who that is, feel free to educate me in the comments section. So the funny thing here is that last 2 weeks ago, I actually told my brother we actually had like a small bet. It's not a two-way bet, it's just my bet towards him. So that's what I said, right? I said when Bitcoin hits around 60,000 US dollars per Bitcoin, then there will be a pullback. And I told him to watch the market and let's just see whether if I'm right about this. I'm kind of right. I was almost right actually, because Bitcoin was almost to 60,000, but it did not hit 60,000 exactly. It's almost to 60,000. I think it was like 58 or 59,000. I wasn't really paying attention, and then there is a pullback today on a Monday at the time of recording this video. So the pullback was a lot more than I expected. I expected like around maybe 5% of pullback, let's just say around 55,000 US dollars. And I told my brother, if you want to get into Bitcoin, not as a financial advice, you can get it after it hits the all-time high at 60k, and then people will be taking their profits, and that's when you can jump in and buy, But I'm not a god, right? So I was wrong about this, and it dropped about 10%. It was all the way down to like 210,000 Malaysian ringgit. I'm not too sure. Let's go ahead and check this one out. It was all the way down to like $51,948, almost around that. And at the time, before I started recording this video, it jumped back up all the way to 230,000, and right now I just googled it, it went back down to 216,000. Crazy volatility, guys. So if you guys are looking to invest into Bitcoin, then you guys have to have that really strong risk tolerance, because newbie investors would be jumping in and out of Bitcoin because I feel like they would just jump in for the hype, take a quick profit and jump out, and when they buy in it drops and they just jump out and take the loss, right? So if you're not new from my channel, you always know my rule, right? My general rule of investing is to never sell. It's simple as that. Just keep on riding the waves up and down. If you really believe into Bitcoin, just keep buying all the dips, just keep buying. For me, in my opinion, I feel like every single dip is a good opportunity to keep buying in. As a matter of fact, I just bought a little bit more Bitcoin just this afternoon when it hit around 230,000, because that was pretty much a big dip compared to where it was just last night. So I thought it is a good time to buy, without knowing that it would still keep plunging further, and I didn't regret my decisions at all. So I'll just keep on holding on to my Bitcoins. So according to the same article, it says that analysts at JP Morgan said Bitcoin's current prices were above estimates of fair value. Mainstream adoption increases Bitcoin's correlation with cyclical assets, which rise and fall with economic changes, in turn reducing benefits of diversifying into crypto, the investment bank said in a memo. Crypto assets continue to rank as the poorest hedge for major drawdowns in equities, with questionable diversification benefits at prices so far above production cost, while correlations with cyclical assets are rising as crypto ownership is mainstream, JP Morgan said. For me, in my opinion, one of the main reasons why it is mainstream right now is because of Elon Musk. He keeps on tweeting a lot of random shit about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies that actually makes a lot of people want to get into cryptocurrency. Tesla, MasterCard, Apple starting to accept Bitcoin in payments. More and more people are starting to, normalize Bitcoin. And can we see Bitcoin being normalized in the future? Absolutely. Can we see Bitcoin crashing down back into, something that they call as a digital currency, and just a digital currency with not much of people recognizing it or not accepting it as a form of payment? I don't see why not, because right now we're just on the fence. We're just sitting on a fence like this. Maybe not like this, maybe like this. We're just sitting on a fence like this. It could go south or it could go well. So it is really up to the people. And Bitcoin, in my opinion, has not much of supporting point. It is not a physical product. There is nothing, or there is no way to actually find out the true value of it. It just really based on its demands. The more demands for Bitcoin, the more expensive the Bitcoin will be. So no matter if the price goes up or it goes down, if you truly believe into Bitcoin like I am, then keep buying all of the dips and just keep holding on to them, because I bought it in the afternoon anyways. So that is just my own decision. So make your own decisions with your own research and own risk tolerance. With all of that being said, guys, there is a new video coming up at the end of this week, maybe this weekend. I'll see you guys in that video.